not only do you see other people with Parkinson's, we all laugh. And it's wonderful to know that you can laugh although you've got this terrible illness. You want to go on, life hasn't finished.
Before we started doing this, I think I was sort of almost ashamed of what I got. But now, because we see so many people in the same boat, we take it all as sort of, well, not normal, but, you know, it's much easier to cope with.
I came because my balance was poor, and that is definitely improved. I'm severely sighted, and there are very few places I can go. But this one has welcomed me, taught me, and I've had a lot of fun, and I'm feeling much fitter than when I started.
I can walk again by myself, as long as I have something to hold on to, you know. And I hope that one day I'll be striding along.
I use breakdancing to help with my mental health, mainly dealing with depression, and it helps my learning disabilities because I was born with dyspraxia.
I'm Kai Gordon, I'm 15 years old and I have high functioning autism, which is a condition where I find it really hard to socialise and mix up with other people. But ever since I've been doing music, dancing and breakdancing, I feel like it's really helped me to make friends, socialise and even mix up with other people who may be going through the same thing.